Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel, the Crochet Nest hook, Yarn and Hook Studio. As you know, I am giving you some lessons on different kind of tutorials and different kind of stitches and patterns and different things in crochet world. So today I am going to give you a small lesson on hexagon start. This tutorial is especially for the beginners who want to know how to start a hexagon. There is a small difference between hexagon and the granny square. So I'm going to tell and we are going to learn about it. Today I'm going to use this yarn. It's from Elise, and the cardigan they have created with this yarn in their image is this. So this is going to be a hexagon style. This is a short body and this is a normal hexagon cardigan for adults. So we are going to create now. So let's start with the crochet hook. I'm going to use is it's 4.5. You can say it's erased, I guess. Yeah, it's erased from this, but it is 4.5. So the crochet hook we are going to use is 4.5, and the cardigan we are going to make is the hexagon with the help of this chunky yarn. So let's start from the beginning. So we are going to start with the magic loop, and as you know, those who know the granny square start, they know that we put 3 double crochet in 4 sets and we start our granny squares. In this we are going to start with the 6 sets of 3 double crochet. So let's start. We are going to start with the magic loop. You just have to roll over on your fingers and hold your yarn, and with the thumb and the other finger you have to start 1 2 chains, and we are going to make our 2 chains, or consider our 2 chains as a 1 double crochet. So we are going to count it in the 3 double crochet set. 1 2 3. Chain of 2, 1 2. Again 1 2 3. Chain of 2, 1 2 3. So we are going to make 6 sets of 3 double crochet. So these are the 3 sets. Now we are making more 3 to make it 6. 1 2. No, I haven't put the chains, so we have to make sure that we are not going to miss it. 2 chains, 1 2 3. Again 2 chains, 1 2 3. Again 2 chains. Now we are going to count how many sets we have made. 1 2 3 4 5. This is the last set we are going to make with 3 double crochet. 1 2 3 and 2 chains. Close our circle, the magic loop, and slip it the first 2 chains we took here. We are not going to work from here. We are going to work back from the gap we have created with 2 chains. So we will reach while slipping our chains or stitches. After slipping it, we reach to the middle of the working place, that is our 2 chains we created in each gap. So now in this row we are going to work in the middle of each 2 chains which we have created gap between the 2 sets of double crochet. 2 chains. So we are going to add this 2 chain as a double crochet set. 1 2 3. So this is complete. Now again we are going to take 2 chains, again 3 times double crochet for one set. 1 2 and 3. It's done. In this gap we are going to work now. 1 2 3 with 2 chains. 1 2, again 1 2 3 in the same gap. So we have 2 sets in the 2 chain gap. Next chain gap. 1 2 3, 2 chains. 1 2 3. 1 2 3, 2 chains. Again 1 2 and 3. So in each gap we are crocheting 2 sets of 3 double crochet with 2 chains, with a gap of 2 chains. 1 2 3, 2 chains. 1 2 3. 1 2 3, 2 chains. 1 2 3. Slip stitch to close the work. Reach to the gap of 2 chains. We reach till the middle. Now chain of 2 and again we are going to count it as a 1 double crochet. This is 2 double crochet and this is third one. Again chain of 2, 1 2 3. Okay, now we are also have another gap here. So without taking any chain or without taking any other stitch, we are simply going to put 3 double crochet in this gap and then we will come back on the 2 chain gap. So simply putting 3 double crochet. 1 2. This is how we are increasing our hexagon. Just like the granny square we do. In granny square we take 4 sets of 3 double crochets or 4 double crochets, it depends on you, and in hexagon we take 6. As you know, hexa is 6, so hexagon you take 6 sets of you start your work with the 6 sets of 3 double crochets. Okay, again back in on the two chains and the second set here. 2, 3. This is the gap where we are going to work as well. 1, 2, 3. In the corner we create 2 sets with the partition of 2 chains, so it will help us to increase our work. In this gap we will also put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Again we reach in the middle of 2 sets. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Okay, now again we are making the corners. 2 chains, and again the other set. 1, 2, 3. Simple 3 double crochet we will put in here, and again the corner 2 sets with 2 chains. 1, 2, 3. One set, 2 chains. 1, 2, and the second set here. 1, 2, 3, and we must put here 3 double crochet to complete the last round. 3, and we are going to finish our work with the slip stitch, and this is how we are going to increase our hexagon. So in each corner, these are the corners we are creating. Each corner we are going to put 2 sets and 1 set, 2 chain, second set. So 2 sets each in one corner. So we have 6 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corners we have, and these middle double crochet will increase as well. In next row we will be putting 2 double crochets, in next 3 double crochets. So this is how we are going to increase our hexagon until we reach to the maximum size we want. So this is all about our hexagon stitch, and I hope you get it easily. I hope you make something really good for yourself and your loved ones. So thank you for watching my video, and keep joining us in next videos. Let me show you how you are going to make okay, one thing I forget. You are going to make 2 hexagons for your cardigans, and we are going to stitch at the back. I will show you another video as I complete this project. I will make another one while stitching bit from the middle side of the from the back side of the hexagons, and how we are going to make a border as well. I will show you this as well. So let me show you one of the other image. You can see this is stitched from the back, from the middle, right? And these are 2 hexagons. This is the one hexagon, and this is the other hexagon, and this is stitched from the middle, from the back side. And from front we have these borders of the sleeves and the front. So I will try to make the rest of the video at the end after the completion of these 2 hexagons. So stay tuned on my channel and keep watching my videos. If you want to learn something from me, do share, do ask. I will make sure to complete your whatever the queries are and the difficulties are. This channel is especially for the beginners. I have started all the initial stitches, all the initial starts of every project and every style. I'm going to give you more lessons on different type of stitches as well. So keep watching my channel, and thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.